Installation dash kit for double DIN radios. Multi-kit for select Volkswagen vehicles. Designed and manufactured with precision tolerances. Gapless fit between the dash and the kit. Made in USA. Double DIN mount kit for 2005 up Volkswagen vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent. Best trim. Comes with the soft rubbery VW matte trim feel. Very high quality. Yes, it does come in parts like other reviews have complained about, but that just so it fits every double DIN deck. Take a minute and read instructions and set it right. It will look perfect. Very solid, no gaps.